Hello, this is Brett Watson and Jacob Fabizak. Our group designed a dye injection system for the Mechanical Engineering Department of BYU-Idaho. This project was commissioned by Dr. Brian Lewis. The goal of this was to be able to create a system that would allow qualitative and quantitative data to be collected from the fluid flow visualization table.
The objective was to upgrade the water table through designing, fabricating, and testing the dye injection system, the flow visualization system, and data capture system.
For this system to be effective, it was defined that it needed to be able to inject dye continuously or in a pulsing manner. The dye needed to be clearly visible in the water, and the goal was that the water velocity would be measurable by seeing how quickly the dye was moving down the table, as well as being able to have multiple injection points. To achieve measuring the velocity, a camera mount has been designed and included, as well as a grid background with the eventual goal of being able to utilize machine vision to capture data.
Some of the models that we developed in order to flush out the errors that we were having with our design system were so we were having an issue with dye leaking from the system when it was supposed to be stopped, and we used the energy equation from fluid mechanics, which is depicted on the poster, in order to find the optimal height for our storage tank, as well as the pump head and losses, and the desired pressure for the storage tank of the dye.
Final CAD models are included below as to what the system should look like when it is complete. Unfortunately, because of the coronavirus, we were unable to complete the assembly and testing of our system, so that will need to be completed at a later time.
We were able to gather some data before we were unable to go into the lab again. That's depicted underneath the verification data. There's some pictures of our testing of the prototypes, but unfortunately we were unable to do the full testing of the system because of our restricted access due to the virus. Hopefully you enjoyed learning about our project. Let us know if you have any questions.